When last we met with D.B. Cooper, he was spotted having lunch with Bigfoot. As usual, they were dining al fresco and arguing about which of them would pick up the bill.
Nothing expresses the love in your heart like that brilliant, trillion-cut diamond on her finger.
Mr. Dillon, do you reckon as I could be the one to erect the town's official Festivus pole this year? Oh, you say it's Festivus? Well, never mind.
Contact the Missing and Exploited Child Hotline at 1-800-THE-LOST. That's 1-800-843-5678. It's the most important call you'll ever make.
More power, Igor! Turn up the power! This 10-watt bulb in my tanning lamp just won't do.
A reality show that's really boring. Farm-raised shrimp fishing. Prawn Stars. Tuesday nights, 7 Eastern, on the Ho-Hum Network.
Leadership, tradition, valor. Virginia Military Institute.